If you have a lot of digital files that you don't want to lose, that you think you could potentially lose in an EMP, I would highly recommend looking into Amazon S3, their simple storage solution. They are extremely affordable and very, very reliable. There's like a 99.9999999% like durability for your files. Whoa. So they're already redundant on multiple devices in one location in the world. But what I did, I backed up our files because we've got thousands of videos on the Lifey app that I'm working on that I don't want to lose. And so I backed them up in multiple continents. And to back up about 80 gigabytes, it only costs about 8 cents per month per continent that I'm like backing it up to. So we've got like a backup in like Japan and Australia and Ireland and US and multiple locations. And it only costs us about 50 cents a month to back it up across the world, to back up 21,000 short videos and all sorts of other files. The storage class you want to put it in is, I think it's called Glacier Deep Archive Storage. Anyway, it's super cheap, super reliable, and it's just there as a backup. If you have any, family pictures or journals or any kind of documents, digital files that you don't want to lose, I'd highly recommend making your own backups on Amazon S3 on their archive deep storage solution. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to see more preparedness videos, go ahead and subscribe, and I hope you have a wonderful day.